Hello, I'm Pastor Rodney Derrick, and
Hi, and I'm Ramona Derrick, and today we have just took out a moment in time just to come out and tell you all that God will restore your value.
so important that you know your value. It was said that know your worth, know the difference between what you're getting and what you deserve. And what you deserve is God's love towards you. And I think one of the greatest value we have as a worker in God's ministry is to know that God does love us and He does care for us.
Yes, He does.
And He knows the value that you are. Because when He created us after His likeness and after His image. And one of the major things that we don't really realize when we're doing a service and doing a work, being a first responder, being a nurse, being a doctor, being a truck driver, a bus driver, etc., whatever you do, restaurant worker, cooks, grocery workers.
That's right. That's right.
I think a lot of time people devalue them until a crisis like now, where they're just as valuable to us when we need them. And I'm here to say that you're just as valuable if you're not any of those things to God, because He chose you.
Absolutely. And Pastor D, I have scripture for that.
Yes.
Ephesians 3:16 says, I pray that out of His glorious riches He may strengthen you with power through His Spirit in your inner being. Now, remember what we've told you, that restoration will be restored to you, and that your value also will come, and God will make you brand new. You know what? We're praying for you.
Yes, we are.
God bless.